Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you what Google Keep is and how you can use it. So to get to Google Keep, the easy way to do it is if you go to your Google Apps and then scroll down until you see Keep, that yellow one with the light bulb right there. Another thing you could do is go to your Google Drive and go to your add-ons bar on the side and click on it that way. So when you get to your Google Keep, it'll look something like this. Um, so Google Keep is a good way to keep any notes you might have. It can be notes about really anything, and it's really unique because it's not just notes, it's lists, pictures, diagrams, and images from the web. So you can really put anything here, anything you want to remember, or anything you want to keep organized. So here I have an example. I made a to-do list here. And the cool thing about this is that once you do something, you can check it off. So I had study for math test, and if I'm done with that, I can check it off, and then it's crossed off automatically. So I don't, so I don't have to make a handwritten list or anything. It's all electronic, and I can easily use it right here. Another thing is, if you want to make a diagram of some kind, I made a quick little graph sketch here. You can easily do that too. So to make a diagram, you would open a new note with a drawing. So you can go where it says take a note and click on that pen icon. And then you can draw anything you want. And this is your Google Drawing. There are a lot of different things you can do here. You can make it a square like a grid. You can have it with dots on it. You can make it with lines as if you're writing on paper, on note paper. Or you can have no background, and you can change your pen color. There's a lot you can do here. So if you ever want to draw something or write something, you can do that here. And then once you're done, click on that back arrow, and whatever you do, it'll save your changes. So you can even go back in it and make some more changes, and Google Keep will save that and update it. And then it'll show up here in your Google Keep. And then if something is really important and you want to keep it up there, you can click on this pin button and it'll stay pinned. So it'll stay at the top for you to find easily. So if I wanted to make a list, I could click on new list here, and then I could maybe say grocery list as the title. So this is my grocery list. I can write down different things, maybe apples, and then I can click enter. For the next item, I could write lettuce, and then I can write more and more things. And then once I'm done, I can just click out of that, and here it is. And if I want it at the top, I can pin that too. And the cool thing I can do here is change the color so it's easy to find. So I can just click on that icon right there and change it to any color I want. And then I can even share it with people if I click on that collaborator icon. And I can click on remind me if I want notifications. So if I want to be reminded about something relating to this grocery list, I can pick a date and a time, anytime, any day. And I can even add a location or a place too. So that's really useful too. And the other thing is I can add some images. So if you wanted to add an image, you can, so this will take an image from your Google Drive or your files on your device, and you can add it here. So that's another thing you can do. And then you can also make new labels. So if you click on edit labels, you can make a label. I made one called homework. So it'll show up to the left right here. It says homework. So I can make some notes in here and they would all be in that homework label. And then if I go to my regular notes, here is everything else I have. So Google Keep is a good way to keep things organized and write different notes and in different folders, different labels, so that you can easily find them.